Welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to send multiple photos on Messenger with the latest updates. Let's dive into the process of sharing multiple photos through Messenger. Step 1. Begin by opening Messenger on your Android device and navigate to the chat where you intend to send the photos. Locate the specific chat conversation you want to share the photos with. Step 2. Within the chat window, look for the gallery icon situated next to the message input field. Tap on this icon to access your device's photo gallery and select the photos you wish to send. Step 3. Browse through your photo gallery and choose the photos you want to share. You can select multiple photos by tapping on each one individually. Step 4. After selecting all the desired photos, proceed by tapping the Send button located at the bottom of the screen. This action will attach the selected photos to your message and send them to the recipient. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently share multiple photos via Messenger with your friends, family, or contacts. Thank you for watching this tutorial on sending multiple photos on Messenger. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to easily share photos through Messenger. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.